Hello guys, welcome back to my channel, and if you are new, I invite you to subscribe and click on the notification bell. I promise you will not regret it. So today I want to share with you my secret, how I use a straight braiding hair and transform it into passion twist hair extension. Okay, so basically you just take piece of hair according to how big you want your twist to be, okay, and then you just use a flexi rod, okay, and you start twisting the hair around the flexi rod, okay. But before twisting, you make sure that you twist the hair around itself before twisting it around the flexi rod, and you make sure you twist them very close to each other so that you will have at the end very close curl, and so that you can have a better result with your twist, okay. So you just twist it, you make it tight, and then you just, you know, turn or press the flexi rod by itself. You make the water ready, okay, like boiling water, just like this, and you will just put all the flexi inside, leave it for a few minutes, and then remove it, dry them, and you will just start unraveling them like out of the flexi rod, just like you see in this video. It is pretty like easy, I would say, to like unravel the hair around the flexi rod. It's really easy, so yeah. And ta-da! Look at these curls, girls. It looks like the real wavy hair like you used to buy, very expensive, you know. You don't need that anymore. And if you want my point of view, I prefer to use like straight braiding hair and transform them into wavy hair for my passion twist or my spring twist, because I love the texture. It's really different from what they sell in the shop. It's not like plastic, is really like hair. I really love how it feels in the hair, in the hand, like when you braid with it. Yeah, so that's it, guys. You just buy your straight Kanekelon hair and you just start transforming it for your passion twist or your spring twist. So yeah, that's it, guys. Now you have my secret, how I transform straight braiding hair into passion twist hair extension. Now let me show you how it looks like on my beautiful customer. Go. Boom. Look at this. Just let me know. Tell me, is it not beautiful? Is it not stunning? It's bouncy, it's juicy. I love how it looks. It's just like your normal wavy hair you buy in the store. The difference is this one is a homemade wavy hair extension. Is it not stunning? Is it not amazing? Yeah. Ooh, like this. I love it. Yes, it's good. It's good. So yeah, thank you guys for watching this video with me, and I will like to have your comment. Any advice you have, any question you have, I will be happy to read and answer, okay? So don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and thank you for watching. See you for another video. God bless you. Bye.